a professionally employed project manager sees such a navigation through projects slightly different. First of all, they split. There are 5 project manager process groups: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing, where project execution phase is split into executing, monitoring and controlling. And there is a number of knowledge areas on your left: project integration management, scope management, schedule management, cost management, quality management, resource management, communications management, risk management, procurement management, and project stakeholder management. Let's go. Let's start with project initiation. You need to be aware about this. There are 2 of them: develop project charter on top, and in bottom for stakeholder, identify stakeholders. Planning, we start develop project management plan, and we start sub-plans. For scope, plan scope management, collect requirements, define scope, create work breakdown structure. For schedule, plan schedule management, define activities, sequence these activities, estimate each activity duration, and develop overall project schedule. For cost, plan cost management, estimate all costs, and determine project's budget. For quality, simply plan quality management. Resource, plan resource management and estimate activity resources. What do you need? Like physical, like human resources. Plan communication management. Risk, plan risk management, identify risks, and perform qualitative risk analysis, then quantitative risk analysis, plan risk responses. Plan procurement management and plan stakeholder engagement. Let's start with execution. Direct and manage project work and manage project knowledge developed through this project. Manage quality. Acquire resources for resource during execution when starts. Acquire human resources and physical. Develop team. You might train your team and manage your team. Manage communications. Implement predefined risk responses. Conduct procurements if you have such on your project. And manage stakeholder engagement. Monitor and control project work and constantly perform integrated change control because of the incoming change requests. Validate scope, control schedule, control costs. You need to, as a project manager, you need to stay in control, monitor and control these things. Control quality, control resources. Some resource might depart, so you need to bring another resources or retrain or qualified or unqualified resources. Monitor communications, monitor your risks, responses, control procurements if there are such, and monitor stakeholder engagement. And for closing, only one: close project or project phase.